Hi, my name is Beth Smith. I am the Facilities Administrator for Athens-Clarke County Government, and you're watching Snapshot 6. In this video, we will be seeing items that Athens-Clarke County Government has completed over the last month, including the renovation of the City Hall Commission Chambers by Facilities Management.
City Hall's Commission Chamber recently underwent a renovation to provide a better environment for residents to engage with their government. Facilities management staff managed the refinishing of the hardwood floors and the wooden seats in the chamber, as well as the replacement of the old carpet. The project took place between mayor and commission meetings as to not disrupt any official business. A longer version of the renovation time-lapse video is available at accgov.com/cityhall. Stormwater Management has hired Santec Consulting to conduct a comprehensive review of the ACC Gov stormwater utility fee. The first phase of the review will evaluate services such as street sweeping, stormwater pipe cleaning, and pollution control to help set the budget. The second phase will include discussions about how the stormwater utility fee is charged and what credits could be issued to reduce fees for customers. As part of the review, ACC Gov Stormwater conducted a series of public meetings in August and an online survey. The survey remains available online through the end of September at accgov.com/stormwater. The Solid Waste Department's Recycling Division partnered with UGA Housing to divert hard-to-recycle materials during the annual fall student move-in process. The Recycling Division and Collections Division helped divert 424 pounds of film plastic and 350 pounds of styrofoam from the landfill in 46 large bags. An additional 729 pounds of film plastic was diverted in conjunction with UGA facilities during new mattress deliveries. The Sustainability Office, along with the Oconee Rivers Greenway Commission, Great Promise Partnership, Keep Athens-Clarke County Beautiful, and the Oconee Rivers Audubon Society partnered with the Athens Land Trust to create a Youth Conservation Steward Program. The Athens Land Trust received a grant from the National Fish and Wildlife Foundation to focus on job training and land restoration efforts at Beach Haven Natural Area and Rowland Preserve. In July, the first year of a 2-year program came to a successful end. The group of 7 young people, aged 14 to 20 years old, and a leader worked approximately 20 hours each week removing invasive plants while learning job skills, natural resource management, and more about potential careers in resource conservation. Additionally, the Geographic Information Service Office, Leisure Services, and the Sustainability Office conducted a GPS/GIS orientation for the youth stewards. This field exercise helped to expose the participants in how GIS works and allowed them to track their progress using custom applications developed for the project. Athens-Clarke County recently completed the fiscal year 17 and fiscal year 18 pavement maintenance program. The program's funding of $5.5 million came from the General Fund, SPLOST, and GDOT local maintenance and improvement grants. The pavement maintenance program rehabilitated 65 roads of 75 lane miles and provided preventive maintenance treatments, which include crack seal, chip seal, and other treatments on 289 roads, totaling 250 lane miles. The Leisure Services Department's Greenway has been extended by nearly 1 mile as part of SPLOST 2011 funding. The new segment of the concrete multi-use path of the Greenway network extends from the North Oconee Access Road near College Station Road to connect to Bailey Street and Carriage Lane off Barnett Shoals Road near Lexington Road. This section of the Greenway is scheduled to open in September.